Yo. How does it sound, loco? You know where I am? I'm on the stage representing hip-hop every weekend when I listen to the music that was born on the street. Them fucking parents are freaking out, cause I am a freaking now, but I just have a sticky sound every time I make a beat, man. I'm not a fitness guy nor the most attractive, and I don't have a voice like the past Trick Boys. I'm just an artist, talk to me of samples and drums in the track list, and stop what they make that's more annoying than the traffic noise. Enjoy the party, feel the rhythm in your body. With the saliva I have wasted, I could make a big tsunami. I don't want a Grammy, look, I wanna sign your shirt, then take it off and listen to hip-hop and not the bullshit. I cannot believe in those motherfuckers who wanna find my stay in the market made for rappers, but they cannot find it to buy it with cash. The only space in my computer for the music is the trash, so I kick their ass with the kick and this is scratch. I like to be natural, smoking weed, flying high, don't confuse drugs. I won't lose my nose and look like Voldemort. This is not cocaine, but you're crazy about my lines. It's an addict in the side, don't eat drug that doesn't fuck the world. I run like Forrest Gump, following every dreams, cause following the stupid things is tiring and it makes me angry. This feels exactly like brain freeze with ice cream. You like it but it hurts you if you believe in the mainstream. I know perfectly there are also good singers, but you know what I mean. You have any questions? Send me an email. I wanna get money from this, I wanna touch your feelings, that's why I make songs, cause I cannot do it with my fingers. This is exclusive, since you is the name you see in your city like graffitis. Haters can't stop my juicy, reading my code and pussies, but that's stupid cause pussies are so much better than them and their fucking music. I'm sorry that I have more traps than trap in my music, and nothing is gonna change my mind. I like every kind of music, but I just don't want for now. Like Das FX, I have the real hip-hop. I'm sorry that I have more traps than trap in my music, and nothing is gonna change my mind. I like every kind of music, but I just don't want for now. Like Das FX, I have the real hip-hop, man. Ahí está, ¿no? Ahora sí me latió más.